Hello and welcome to our channel, Sundry Health. Today's topic is 11 home remedies to clear up ear infections. The overgrowth of bacteria or viruses causes ear infections in the ear cavity's inner, middle, or outer part. Middle ear infection, medically referred to as otitis media, is the most prevalent form of ear infection caused by fluid accumulation in the air-filled space behind the eardrum. The middle ear is connected to the back of the throat via a narrow eustachian tube. The blockage in the eustachian tube prevents fluid drainage from the middle ear into the throat. Yet another common ear infection is swimmer's ear, otitis externa, which occurs when water gets trapped inside the outer ear canal and breeds the growth of infection-causing microbes. Here are 11 home remedies to clear up ear infections. Before starting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. 1. Apply warm, cold compresses. Warm and cold compresses work in different ways to alleviate the symptomatic discomfort caused by ear infections. Applying gentle heat helps dissolve the fluid discharge accumulated inside the ear so that it drains out quickly, thus aiding in reducing symptoms. Topical cold therapy, conversely, constricts the underlying blood vessels and thus limits blood flow in the area, reducing inflammation and providing cooling and soothing effects. Plus, it is a protective method that prevents hearing loss. To make a warm compress. 1. Soak a clean washcloth in warm water. 2. Squeeze out the excess liquid. 3. Fold the damp cloth. 4. Place it over the infected ear for 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can wrap a heating pad, on low setting, or warmed gel pack in a towel and keep it on the sore ear for 10 to 15 minutes. Ensure the compress does not feel too hot, as you can burn your skin. To make a cold compress. 1. Soak a clean washcloth in cold water. 2. Wring out the excess liquid. 3. Fold the damp cloth. 4. Place it on the infected ear for 10 to 15 minutes. Try hot and cold compresses to see which suits you best, then stick to the preferable option. 2. Use garlic. Garlic exhibits strong antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties that can help fight ear infections, reduce symptoms, and promote faster recovery. Plus, it is credited with pain-relieving properties that can help ease infection-induced earache. 1. Put a few fresh garlic cloves in boiling water for about 5 minutes. 2. Crush the softened cloves. 3. Add a little salt to the crushed garlic. 4. Wrap this mixture into a clean cloth and place it against the affected ear. 3. Try using tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has multiple medicinal effects that can help treat ear infections and their associated symptoms. It is a potent antimicrobial agent that can kill the germs responsible for the infection. Moreover, it helps relieve the inflammation and pain in and around the infected ear while also pulling out the fluid buildup inside the ear canal. 1. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil until it becomes slightly warm. 2. Add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil and mix. 3. Lay your head down on your side with the infected ear facing up. 4. Put 2 to 3 drops of warm oil blend into the ear with a dropper. 5. Hold the position for about 3 minutes. 6. Turn your head to drain the oil out. 7. Repeat daily until the pain subsides. 4. Apply a salt compress on the affected area. Salt is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can help soothe the swelling, pain, and tenderness in and around the infected ear. Salt draws out the pus or fluid discharge from the ear to provide relief and promote healing. It may even help kill the bacteria responsible for the ear infection to speed up recovery. The best way to use this therapeutic ingredient is in the form of a warm compress. 1. Fill a bowl with salt. 2. Heat it in the microwave for 5 to 6 minutes. 3. Put the heated salt in a clean sock. 4. Use a thread or rubber band to tie the open end of the sock. 5. Lie down and place this warm sock over the affected ear. 6. Applying salt and heat will help expel the pus or fluid accumulated inside the ear. 7. Use a clean tissue to wipe any discharge from the ear gently. 8. Repeat this process several times a day for prolonged relief. 4. Onion compress application. Onions contain anti-inflammatory compounds such as the flavonoid quercetin, which can help reduce the swelling and pain caused by ear infections. It is a widely popular anecdotal remedy that has been used for ages, but there needs to be more scientific support for it. However, you can still give it a try since it is devoid of any harmful side effects. 1. Use a clean dropper to put a few drops of onion juice in the affected ear. 2. Heat half an onion in the microwave for 30 seconds. 3. Wrap it in a thin towel to make a hot compress. 4. Keep the onion compress over the affected ear until it cools down. 5. Use holy basil. Holy basil is rich in antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting effects that can help clear ear infections and improve symptoms. 1. Mix a few drops of holy basil oil with equal amounts of coconut oil. 2. Dip a clean cotton ball into the mixture. 3. Use it to wipe the inside of your ear gently, its outer edges, and the area behind it. 4. Do this daily until the infection goes away. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this information valuable. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you. 6. Drop olive oil into the affected ear. Olive oil possesses some antibacterial activity, but there isn't enough research to prove that it works against the bacterial strain that commonly causes ear infections. It also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties that help ease the ear pain associated with such infections. Still, it is less effective than commercial eardrops containing actual anesthetic formulations. This remedy is relatively safe, so it is not harmful. Lie down on your side with the affected ear facing upward. Pour 2 to 3 drops of warm olive oil into the infected ear using a clean dropper. Stay in the same position for about 3 minutes. Tilt the infected ear toward the ground to drain out the oil. Do this every day until the pain goes away. 7. Put mango leaf juice in the affected ear. Mango leaf juice has long been used as a natural remedy for immediate relief from earaches. It possesses anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help soothe and heal your infected ear. In one study, mango extract, administered topically, 0.5 to 2 mg per ear, reduced ear edema in mice. 1. Grind or crush 2 to 3 mango leaves to extract their juice. 2. Use a clean dropper to put 2 to 3 drops of this juice in the infected ear. 3. Keep still for about 5 minutes. 4. Repeat the procedure 3 times a day. 8. Breast milk can reduce the risk of ear infections in children. Infants between 6 and 18 months are prone to outer ear infections, but breastfeeding can significantly reduce this risk. Breast milk is replete with antibodies that strengthen your child's developing immune system against such ailments. It was found that babies who received breast milk for about a year were less susceptible to outer ear infections than those who never received breast milk. Moreover, you can administer a few drops of breast milk into the affected ear to soothe the discomfort and clear up the infection faster. Do it every 2 hours to facilitate quick healing. 9. Increase your vitamin D intake. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in building immunity, but unfortunately, most people run low on this vital nutrient. Conversely, vitamin D deficiency compromises your body's ability to ward off various ailments, including ear infections. A proper diet, adequate supplementation, and direct sun exposure can help increase your vitamin D levels and thus reduce the risk of ear infections. This simple intervention can also help you recover from such infections much faster. 10. Change sleep positions. Although it might seem unnatural, propping your head up while sleeping may help reduce ear pain. That's because it can drain the eustachian tubes, which your system can't do well when you're not upright. Clogged eustachian tubes can cause pain. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.